some roadblocks for ourselves sometimes in life. Do you ever make big plans and then seem unable to follow them through? I know I've been there. Anyone else? And maybe do you set goals each new year and then feel disappointed that you never made it happen? Anyone been there? And maybe sometimes we even just give up on those goals within weeks or sometimes even days. Yep, been there. So there are two types of reasons really for any kind of lack of success that we have in reaching our goals. And they're really our conscious reasons and our unconscious reasons. So let's start with the conscious reasons.